Down by the pond in the morning fog, 10 green frogs sit on a log. The sun peeks out that the breeze feels sweet. They tap their toes and move their feet. They croak in tune, they start to play. Let's count together, hip hooray. With big frog smiles and eyes that gleam, they count along beside the stream. One frog jumps, kerplop, oh my. Two frogs leap to catch a fly. Three frogs splash and clap along. Four frogs sing their counting song. Five frogs wiggle in the pond. 10 frogs laugh on the counting log. Ribbit, ribbit, jump and jog. 10 green frogs on the counting log. A dragonfly buzzes, zooms and hums. The frogs all tap their little thumbs. One says, let's count sticks and leaves. Another sneezes, ribbit please. They line up neat in one long row. From smallest frog to big one, whoa! They bounce in rhythm, make a beat of 10 green frogs and happy feet. One frog hops to splash again. Two frogs dance in the gentle rain. Three frogs count the clouds above. Four frogs sing with ponds I love. Five frogs cheer, we love this fog. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Ribbit, ribbit, jump and jog. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Then a turtle calls from down below, hey frogs, I wanna count, you know. The frogs all laugh, well come on up. They make some room and fill his cup. Together loud they start to say numbers bright in a musical way. 1, 2, 3, come sing along. Counting's fun in a ribbit song. They count the ripples on the pond. They count the stars when dusk is fun. They count the fireflies blinking bright. They count their hops beneath moonlight. They count the reeds, the rocks, the fish. They count their friends, their favorite wish. They count each splash and every frog. 10 proud pals on the counting log. One frog croaks, we're smart today. Two frogs dance the pond ballet. Three frogs jump, kerplop, kerplop. Four frogs spin and never stop. Five frogs giggle, this is our job. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Ribbit, ribbit, jump and jog. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Rain begins to fall, drip, drop, drip, drop. The frogs keep counting, they never stop. 6, 7, 8, they sing in tune under a silver rainy moon. 9, 10, they shuffle as we glide and slip and slide side by side. They splash so loud, the fish peek out, and all the frogs begin to shout. One frog hops, kerplop, so neat. Two frogs drum with their tiny feet. Three frogs giggle, what a song. Four frogs hum as they hop along. Five frogs cheer, we love this ball. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Ribbit, ribbit, jump and jog. 10 green frogs on the counting log. Now the moon is high and round. The frogs make one last counting sound. They yawn, they stretch, they find their bed of lily pads and soft moss spread. Good night down. Good night down, Mercury. For this of